Hey. It is Saturday morning. The world famous donut Derelicts, Adams and Magnolia, Huntington Beach, California. And however you watched today's videos, you'll see that I was at Beachcruisers downtown Huntington Beach first. We did a dark walkthrough. And as I said there, donut Derelicts will be packed. And it is packed. We got guys with no pants, no shorts. That'd be Chris. Look at that. GT 350H, which means it's a Hearst. Back in the day, you could rent these at Hearst rental cars, take them out. The guys did it, take them out and raced them for the weekend and brought them back. How cool is that? We got Roy's Rays. We got a Chevelle. He's early today.
No, they looked to me after the
yeah, he came in early. We got this cool Sunliner. Looks like got a 390 cubic inch according to its tag. How cool is that? And we got a USA military Jeep. We got the man saying it's Woody around Huntington Beach. Been here around forever. Let's go. Soldier on. Check it out, huh? All the way in from Irvine, California. Be Rick Davenport with a flame El Camino. Rick's always got a pretty motor shining this early in the morning. That'd be Rick. He's got his Java going. Got his hoodie up. He said, yeah, it's a little cold here in SoCal morning. 56. 56 is for sale. Oh, the Volkswagen. They got a lot going on here. You got the 62 Pontiac wagon, Impala SS. Got all kinds of bennies on it. So many accessories. We got Embos, White Buffalo. Let's see. Let's check out the front row. Miner's racing forward. Ah, I got the back end fixed finally. Let's question. Hey, what's up? You get the back end fixed, huh?
Yeah, I got to. You want a tape on it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah,
you want a DVD on it?
I got one. You gave me one already.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. Thank you, Larry.
It looks kind of raced, don't it?
Yeah, huh? Yeah. Thanks, Larry. I mentioned earlier, we got Alan the old car breakfast.
You know how much the insurance company paid me for fixing that car?
No.
50 grand.
No, really?
Yeah, 50 grand. I got
wow. Jeez, well, yeah, it is a historic monument, right? 50 grand to fix that back end. Wow. Look at here. The front row. Cars. Look at this, huh? Oh, it's like this. That's sweet.
We never checked that.
36. Beautiful. SS a 68. It's 350 cubic inch. There it is. Up. 327 sitting in there. It was 350 on the fender. Huh. What are they trying to put one over on, huh?
That is, huh?
Yeah. What up, Pete?
How you doing?
Yeah, it's got 327 in there, but on the fender it says it's 350, huh? They think they're going to fool Dano this early in the morning. They got another thing coming. Got tube. All right. Here we are. Famous donut Derelicts front row. Let's take a walk down, see. Got a 944 here. We got a Camaro 67. I'm thinking they're probably pawning this off as a barn find, all original, not molested. Although the motor doesn't really look like it's been unmolested. 17.5 to 67. There you have it. You can rebuild it, restore it, keep it the way it is, protect it. Bay window buses rolling in. Okay, back to the action. Pick 'em up trucks. El Caminos. 63 Pontiac. Kenny's Hellcat. Is Kenny here? Is Kenny here? He's back there. He's listening to Dano Vision. 56 pickup. F1 Hyundai. Is that Nick? Nick, what up?
On, Dano?
How you been? What's going on?
Just fine, good, man. Just hanging out, just checking things out. Been a while since I've been out here to the Donuts.
Yeah, I talked to you earlier in the week and you were...
I was in Houston.
Yeah.
Always doing it.
I was standing in a field of green and getting rained on, and you was in Houston.
That's exactly right. You're out there on the hillside.
Yeah. Cool. Well, welcome back. Welcome down.
Yeah.
Go downtown. HB Beachcruisers going on today.
Is it?
Main Street and the Pier Plaza.
I'll have to check that out.
Yeah, just came from there.
Happening, huh?
Stuffed already, yeah. That'd be Nick.
Keep it live, Dano.
Nick, what's going on as far as the car clubs? West Coast Hot Rod.
West Coast
For the
Hot
Asian
Rod.
champion, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that with the wagon?
That was with the wagon.
Wow.
Hey, next weekend, Bakersfield Raceway, West Coast Hot Rod, California
man.
Shootout.
I wish I could.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Everybody knows now.
Yeah.
Come out to the races.
There you have it. Nick be running his car, right?
Yep.
Yeah, and that's Nick.
67 Camaro, bringing it out. First time debuting.
All right. Cool. That'd be an event to go to. I don't know if I can make it, but go out there and see Nick. You'll be happy you did. All right, Nick. Yeah. Look at this. I've been reporting that this was out of Las Vegas, along to Chrissy Moats, but I was corrected the other night. That is not her car. So, we got Cody.
Hey, Dano.
Cody got the best of show at Gary's Elks Classic Car show last night.
Right down there.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Let's take another look at Cody's car. I got the YouTube up there. I was up late and I got it up there. Look at that Marina Blue, American Mags, real hot rod, pushing pedals, pulling gears, high back bucket seats, console, tachometer. Don't get much finer than that. Cody 66 here at the donut shop. Yeah. All right. Man, you got up early too, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Go downtown after you're done here.
Okay.
Beachcruisers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Main Street?
Yeah, Main Street and the Pier Plaza. I just came from there.
Okay.
Load up pretty. Whoa, look at that, huh? Whoa, gasser style, straight axle. Lefty, 32. Back it up, back it up. Yeah. Fuel tank on the front. Yeah. How badass is that? Look at that, first and second generation Novas. Or, yeah, Novas. It'd be Tom Ringland. He's got the family heirloom out. A Packard. A 5-window coupe.
Everything pops into place.
67, 57. The sky is lighting up. Look at that. Look at this, 67 Camaro. American Mags, high back seats. How sweet is that? Look at this we got rolling in here. 283 cubic inch Malibu SS. Wow, look at that sky. That's a picture right there. 56 satin finish, moon equipped. Look at that white, red vinyl, real hot rod, push and pedals, pulling gears. One of my favorites. Hey Doug, what up?
Howdy. How are you
Good,
doing?
good, good, good. What kind of Pontiac you bring today?
Got the old red one.
All right.
I finally got it out of hiding.
Hiding. Lambo. How cool is that, huh? And we got lunch money over there, Corey. Hey Corey, what up? How you doing?
Good.
How's your dad?
Good.
Good, good, good. About time you made it down here, huh?
Yeah, every once in a while.
Yeah. With all the bad weather and stuff, we hadn't had many chances this winter. That's Corey, and that's his lunch money. And that's a 50 Plymouth Suburban, one of my faves. Look at that Chrysler, huh? If I would have done that to my dad's Chrysler, he wouldn't have been real happy. And that guy just saying, if I would have done that to my dad's Chrysler, he wouldn't have been real happy.
You would have been happy, huh?
No.